Hi viewers, welcome to this channel again. How are you today? It's okay if you're still fine and success. Thank you very much for watching my videos so far. Well, in the episode 28, I would like to explain about conditional clause type 3. I hope you watch this completely in order that you understand it well. Let's see the explanation on the next screen. Baiklah viewers, mari kita lihat bersama-sama di layar ini. Topik kita kali ini adalah conditional clause type 3. Conditional clause type 3 digunakan untuk mengandaikan suatu tindakan, perbuatan atau peristiwa yang terjadi di masa lalu. Maksudnya tindakan, perbuatan atau peristiwa yang telah terjadi di masa lalu diandaikan saat ini. Perhatikan klausa berikut. Klausa pengandaian atau bukan fakta dan fakta. Nomor 1, jika saya tidak kuliah 20 tahun yang lalu, negatif. Faktanya adalah saya kuliah 20 tahun yang lalu, positif. 2, jika dia pergi ke Jakarta bulan lalu, positif. Faktanya dia tidak pergi ke Jakarta bulan lalu. 3, jika kamu minum minuman beralkohol, positif. Faktanya kamu tidak minum minuman beralkohol, negatif. 4, jika mereka tidak datang ke sini tadi malam, negatif. Faktanya mereka datang ke sini tadi malam, positif. Mari kita lihat kalimat pengandaian berikut. Nomor 1, I would not have been a professor if I had not studied at the university 20 years ago. Negatif, negatif. Saya tidak akan menjadi seorang profesor jika saya tidak kuliah di universitas 20 tahun yang lalu. Faktanya apa? Saya menjadi seorang profesor karena saya kuliah 20 tahun yang lalu, atau saya kuliah 20 tahun yang lalu, maka saya menjadi seorang profesor. Nomor 2, he would have had any trouble with COVID-19 if he had gone to Jakarta a month ago. Positif, positif. Dia sudah akan mendapat masalah dengan COVID-19 jika dia sudah pergi ke Jakarta sebulan lalu. Faktanya adalah dia tidak mempunyai masalah dengan COVID-19 karena dia tidak pergi ke Jakarta sebulan lalu, atau dia tidak pergi ke Jakarta sebulan lalu, maka dia tidak mempunyai masalah dengan COVID-19. Nomor 3, if you had drunk alcoholic drink, you would have been drunk. Positif, positif. Jika kamu sudah minum minuman beralkohol, kamu sudah akan mabuk. Faktanya adalah dia tidak minum minuman beralkohol, maka dia tidak mabuk. Atau dia tidak mabuk karena dia tidak minum minuman beralkohol. Negatif, negatif. 4, if they had not come here, the event would not have been crowded. Negatif, negatif. Jika mereka tidak datang kemari, acara itu sudah tidak akan ramai. Faktanya adalah mereka datang kemari, maka acara itu ramai. Atau acara itu ramai karena mereka datang kemari. Positif, positif. Pola kalimat conditional clause tipe 3, kita lihat jika, if di tengah, maka past future perfect tense if diikuti dengan past perfect tense. Pola kalimat past future perfect tense positif, subjek diikuti dengan should atau would diikuti dengan have, diikuti dengan V3, kata kerja ketiga, atau been diikuti dengan objek. Negatif, subjek diikuti dengan should atau would diikuti dengan not have, diikuti dengan V3 atau been diikuti dengan objek. Interrogatif, pertanyaan yang dijawab ya atau tidak, should atau would diikuti dengan subjek, diikuti dengan have, diikuti dengan V3 atau kata kerja bentuk ketiga, atau been diikuti dengan objek. Question atau kalimat tanya yang menanyakan banyak hal, maka kita menggunakan question word, letakkan saja di paling depan diikuti dengan pola interrogative. Past perfect tense positif, subjek diikuti dengan had, diikuti dengan V3 atau kata kerja bentuk ketiga, atau been diikuti dengan objek. Negatif, subjek diikuti dengan had not, diikuti dengan V3 atau kata kerja bentuk ketiga, atau been diikuti dengan objek. Interrogative, had diikuti dengan subjek, diikuti dengan V3 atau kata kerja bentuk ketiga, atau been diikuti dengan objek. A question, untuk menanyakan banyak hal, question word, kata tanya, letakkan paling depan, ikuti dengan pola interrogative. Untuk if di sebelah kiri atau if duluan, maka polanya past perfect tense duluan diikuti dengan past future perfect tense. Perlu saya jelaskan di sini, ada V3 atau been, artinya apabila kalimatnya tidak ada kata kerja maka kita menggunakan been. Objek dikurung artinya objek untuk kata kerja transitif atau kata kerja yang memerlukan objek. Been seperti biasanya di episode sebelumnya diikuti dengan adjective, adverb, atau noun. Examples, contoh, I would have called the police if the neighbors hadn't quieted down just now. Positive, negative. Saya sudah akan menelpon polisi jika tetangga tidak diam atau tenang tadi. The fact, I did not call the police because the neighbors quieted down just now. Negative, positive. Or we can also say the neighbors quieted down just now, so I did not call the police. Positive, negative. Number 2, if you had accompanied me, I would have been happy here. Positive, positive. Jika kamu telah menemani saya akan senang di sini. The fact, I was not happy here because you did not accompany me. Negative, negative. Or you can also say you did not accompany me, so I was not happy here. Negative, negative. Number 3, I would have called her just now if I had her phone number. Positive, positive. Saya sudah akan menelpon dia tadi jika saya telah mempunyai nomor teleponnya. The fact, I did not call her just now because I did not have her phone number. Negative, negative. Or we can also say I did not have her phone number, so I did not call her just now. Number 4, if I had known your email in the internet, I would have sent you an email. Positive, positive. Jika saya tahu emailmu di internet, saya sudah akan mengirim email. The fact, I did not send you an email because I did not know your email in the internet. Negative. Or we can also say, I did not know your email in the internet, so I did not send you an email. Positive. Number 5, if he had not studied seriously, he would not have passed his examination. Negative. Jika dia tidak belajar serius, dia tidak akan lulus ujian. The fact he passed his examination because he studied seriously. Positive. Or we can also say he studied seriously, so he passed his examination. Well, viewers, now we go on practice make conditional sentences based on the given facts. Number 1, she was late to the office. She got up late. Positive. So what's the conditional sentence of number 1? All right. She would not have been late to the office if she had not gotten up late. Number 2, we did not participate in the seminar. We did not get the information. Negative. So what's the conditional sentence on number 2? All right. We would have participated in the seminar if we had gotten the information. Number 3, they stole a motorcycle. The police arrested them. Positive. So what's the conditional sentence of number 3? All right. Police would not have arrested them if they had not stolen a motorcycle. Number 4, your parents were angry with you. You did not come home on time. Positive. Negative. So what is the conditional sentence on number 4? It's okay. Your parents would not have been angry with you if you had come home on time. Number 5, we did not go to Surabaya today. We did not get flight tickets. Negative. So what's the conditional sentence on number 5? It's all right. We would have gone to Surabaya today if we had gotten flight tickets. Number 6, my son did not go to school. He was sick. Negative. Positive. So what's the conditional sentence on number 6? It's okay. My son would have gone to school if he had not been sick. Number 7, farmers harvested crops. It rained much before. Positive. So what's the conditional sentence on number 7? All right. Farmers would not have harvested crops if it had not rained much before. Well, viewers, I think that's all for this explanation of conditional type 3, and I hope you understand it well. See you on the next episode. Thank you very much for watching it.